Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can actually add subtitles to your videos. Okay, so first we need to go to the top section, and along the top section you will see something labeled here, this tab here, add subtitles. So once we select add subtitles, it's going to bring us a brand new prompt. Okay, and with this prompt you will see the section says add subtitles, and here we have the ability of adding a video. So straight away what we need to do, once we've created our videos, so if I go to the video section you can see there's a whole host of videos. So in some examples, depending on your videos, before you come to the subtitle section, now you've got two ways of doing this. If you've created more than one video, like a series of videos, yes, you can add subtitles to individual videos. That's completely up to you. However, you'll see some examples. Can you see every single video here? We've got part 1, 2, and 3. So if I had a 3-part series like part 1, part 2, and part 3, I would go to the merge video section first to make a full-length video, and then ultimately I can then take that full-length video and come back to the add subtitle section for that full-length video. So if I select here, add video, you will see if I scroll down, here's some examples. If I go to any of them, I actually have, look, ones that I've made before. So I've got a complete video here, hybrid video. That's a long length video, or I can do individual videos. Either way, it will be the same concept. So if you want the entire video done in one go, you can do so. Or if you have individual videos that you want to create, that's also a choice that you can go ahead and do. So if I go here to add video, let's just select any one of them that I've created before. So here we have, let's have a look. So here we got welcome to TalkingPhotosAI. This is the human video here. I simply go ahead and select, and now that video has now been embedded into this pane here, so I can actually see the preview just to make sure that it's the correct one. If it's not, you can always remove and you can add another video. Okay, so straight away here to the column of the left, I'll just highlight it like so, add subtitles, and you're going to see a number of different functions and features that you can toggle. You can actually go and customize how you want those subtitles to appear on your video. So here, first and foremost, you will see a section where it says video audio source language. So the source language is going to be very, very important. So depending when we talk about when you first create your video, and if you use text to speech, etc., you need to make sure that the language that you use in text to speech is going to be the exact same language here that's been identified. So it should be matching. Okay, so whatever language you first selected when you create the video has to match the video and audio source language in this section also. Okay, so just make sure that's always correct. Then you've got the subtitle type, so you can change the different types of how you want it to appear. So it could be standard as like so, or word for word. Maybe you want it to be coming word for word, or animated, and you'll see that change there with the little blue background. We have different styles of stroke, so you can have stroke, scale, or it can grow. Okay, different positionings as you would expect: top, center, and bottom. And then you've got alignment left, center, and right. So depending, sometimes you may have a video where you've got product placement or call to action, things like that, or may want it to be subtly located out of sight, essentially. But that's completely up to you. So you can customize the location, the position, and alignment of the subtitles. Next, we've got a whole range of different fonts that you can select from. So let's go ahead and just keep something simple. So we've got railway font sizes to choose from. You can choose any font. Let's do a nice big subtle one. We've got the background color. Now this won't change because we've got animated, but if we went to standard, you'll see now the background color will come into play like so. You can have a nice vibrant color, or anything that may match your brand, whatever, it's just something that you can adjust, and you've got different text color there. So if you have your own brand color, anything specific, you can actually paste that code directly into the area there. So let's go for animated like so, and we can still change all of that stuff there. Kind of nice and bright in your face. And accent color, you can change the color also of the accent, so you can see what's inside. Say we've got the red there, let's revert back to, we can do a nice orange, or maybe a purple. That's completely up to you. So you can customize that, right? Now next, you've got the background box opacity. So see this box around where it says subtitles, you can actually change how you want it to appear. You can have it subtle, or you can remove it completely. So you'll have this little toggle there along the line, we can change the percentage of that. So right now we're going to leave it as 100%. Next, we've got something which is really good, is edit transcript. Now, once you select edit transcript, it'll actually allow you to, or the AI will actually transcribe the video as you would expect, and then it may take a couple of minutes. However, once you're in there, you can actually go through the timeline of what's being said, and you can make adjustments to the timeline and the text that's appearing. So let's go ahead for demonstration purposes. I'll select yes, I'm sure. Let's take a few moments. We'll let that load up, and then we will return. Okay, so you can now see the transcript here. So you can see that was my script that I used, and within the transcript you'll actually see the timestamp of where it will appear throughout the video, so you can know specific places of where that will be. So you can actually go in there, you can edit, make any corrections, double check everything. But the AI ability when it comes to the transcript is very, very spot on, very clear. But if there is any time that you want to go through, you want to add anything or take away, that's something that you can do. So that's all done. We don't need to check that. We can just save it. That's fine. It'll save it. And then once we've done that, all we now need to do is select add subtitles. And you can see project name. So this is another great method also. So when you create that base video in the first place, you can actually make, you can just write next to it with subtitles. Okay, so you know that this is the video. You'll have another video that you've used before, but this one could be, you can make that very clear that, hey, this one has subtitles. Okay, that's a subtitled version. So you could have two versions, one with and one without subtitles. So once you've gone ahead and done that, you simply select save. And there you go. It will be at the rendering in the My Videos tabs. Now, another great aspect of this is that when you do create the subtitles, let me see if I can find one that has already been created before. So here we have ones that I've created from before. What I want to show you, you can see here. Okay, so I've made one here, subtitles, full HD. What I love about the ability of adding subtitles, yes, you can play. You can see how it's going to look. Okay, so you can see there I've got the subtitles there on this particular video. You would download that. You can obviously download HD quality, but it also gives you this SRT file. So that's the actual for the subtitles of the file. So you can actually download that as a file, and you can store that at any time. So something like that alone with third-party services, they would actually charge you a lot of money for that. So I just wanted to make that very clear. It's a brilliant extra little addition that will allow you to save that file as well. And then if you're unhappy or you want to remove it and you want to clear your deck, you can actually delete that video. So that's essentially how it will appear. You can see if I go back now, this will be in the process of rendering, and then that's it. You are done. So in this video we covered how you can actually add subtitles to your videos.